Hey Dr. Mohebi, what role does body image and self-esteem play in the way that we perceive our hair loss?
Body image and self-esteem, huge with hair loss and the hair that you have. That's very normal for us to have concern about losing hair, and most people are, because you look not as young and you may not look as attractive. However, if it's excessive, it might be a condition that we call it body dysmorphic syndrome. These are people who are never happy with where they are, and they always find some flaws in their face, in their body, and they're always seeking different consultations, or they undergo multiple procedures. So a healthy level of being aware of your hair loss and knowing that when you restore your hair, you look better, you look more attractive, you be yourself more. It's perfectly okay, perfectly normal. It should be there, but excessive amount of it, or being overly concerned or obsessed about your look might have a root in some other conditions.